Deb here from Chasing RV Sunshine. On today's video we got something special. I'm cutting my hair and dyeing it, and I'm showing you how I do it. Especially because we're full-time RVers, getting your hair done on the road is difficult, but I found out I can do it myself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hello, welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. Joel,
Deb and Maya here. We're a full-time couple with a spoiled dog that is downsized, sold everything, retired, and moved to full-time RVing.
we are new to the RV lifestyle and are happy to take you along for the ride with us as we feel like we are living in the book RVing for Dummies sometimes. There is nothing better than the feeling of freedom RVing brings us.
We love RV travel and feel RV love every time we head to a new location and show you how we travel in our RV. One of the major concerns that most people have when they're heading to full-time RVing, especially if you're female, is how are you going to get your hair done? It was one of my major concerns, and luckily I met a friend along the way here that has helped me and taught me how to actually cut my own hair, and I've actually started dyeing my own hair also. I'm going to just kind of show you how I am doing all this, as we've already shown you how we have cut Joel's hair. I think this is a bad idea. Joel says because we're on a budget now, he can't afford to go get a haircut. I say he can go get a haircut, and now I'm giving him a haircut.
She's more afraid than I am. Not there!
Oh my god. And now it's my turn.
Beautiful woman, I felt it deep inside. Beautiful woman, people are talking me down. Beautiful woman, you try to tell me what's right.
How do you got that held on there?
I have it held on with a fancy chip clip because that's what we have in the RV. I thought I had hair clips with, but I must have thrown them all away.
There's wrecking balls inside my brain, standing tall with all my faith, empty voices in my head, they will always be around until I found the one again. Beautiful woman, sometimes we simply fall out. Beautiful woman, beautiful woman, tied to your love in the doubt. Beautiful woman.
This is what you do when it's a freeze warning outside?
Yes.
Got enough on the tip?
25 minutes now. I get set.
Minutes later.
So I went in the shower, which I would not let Joel film, and ended up having to put some warm water in my hair, rinse it, and then until it was clear, and then I put this conditioner that came with in and let that soak for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinsed it out with cold water. Now I'm going to go to the cutting portion. So I'm going to sit down. Now this is going to seem really weird, but what you do is you take all of your hair, brush it forward, and put it in a ponytail. Just like that. Then you look at your own hair. Take the scissors, and you can see where the ends need to be trimmed, and you want to go on an angle down this way and then an angle this way in order to get it so that it's level. Luckily my hair isn't that hard to cut. And just enough to get the ends off of it. And if you're lucky, you have a dog that wants to help too.
Maya, are you helping?
And you do little snippets like this, and it will all end up blending in. And voila, my hair's cut. And now I just need to style it.
Beautiful woman, I felt it deep inside. Beautiful woman, people.
Like overall, I think that it turned out. Hey, hon.
Hi.
Hi. What do you think?
I think it looks great.
Do you?
Yes. Beautiful as ever.
Aw. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, if Joe likes it,
Plus, I'm glad it was only $9.
overall, I think my hair turned out really well. I'm very happy with it. Obviously, I am not a professional hairstylist, and if you're not comfortable doing this, I recommend you finding someone on the road while you're doing it. Or if you're part-time, obviously you can always go to your own hairstylist. I just went with L'Oreal that I picked up at Walmart, as this is the brand my mom used to use. So we're not sponsored by them or anything. It's just what I picked up because my mom used to use this brand. But I'm extremely happy with this. I'm glad that I learned how to do it myself. I've done it only twice now, but the more I've done it, the more comfortable I've gotten at it. And I recommend that you learn how to do it yourself and enjoy life on the road, because that's what it's all about. If you like this video, also don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if this is something you think you can do or not. And also, if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified when our next video is out. And don't forget, life is about moments and not things, and you can always make your own sunshine. We'll see you on the next video. You don't have to film me putting makeup on.
Well, you wouldn't let me film you showering, so. Does it come with a cap to put on?
No.
No, like shower cap or nothing?
No.
And action.
And my it was only $9. Of course, Joe likes that better, but don't worry, Kathy. Erickson and Chippewa Falls, we blah 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 blah. And it, obviously Joel likes the fact that it's only $9 instead of my normal girl, but Kathy, don't worry, when I'm back in Wisconsin I'm coming and seeing you because I miss and I love you. So